Hi, I am Najam Alvi. You are watching my vlog channel Najam Alvi hashtag. We are here in Kungsa Garden making a video for you. So today here is Stockholm Street Food Festival, and here as you can check, people are assembled a big, huge screen, and people still working here. The screen is very big. So today is the last day festival. So many people waiting for performing. So now here is a Volvo Showroom. You can see on my front. So this is Red Bull advertisement. So many tourists here, and actually now people like street food, especially street food. Different type of country, very tasty, especially India and Pakistan and Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Thailand. This is Volvo Showroom, and check here, Volvo Studio Stockholm. This is a new Volvo car, full electricity car. One charge 1000 kilometer you can use. 1000 kilometer I think enough. So other side here is all people you can see over there, and there is today Stockholm Street Food Festival. So many visitors, different countries, Japan, China, and America, and throughout Europe. So now is here beautiful weather, sun shining, and 22 centigrade temperature. And temperature is a little bit hot. People moving around in shorts, and they never wearing jackets and something. So here is a donuts, American donuts they are selling. You can see here, and so many people waiting for queue. So please, if you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Write the comment if you like this video, and any advice. Give me any advice. How can I make a good video? And what is weakness in this video? But this is just a video moving around. I'm here in Stockholm city, and this is Kungsa Garden. Kungsa Garden means king garden for kings. So here is security guard stopping a man. He's a man from Atlantic. this is Jamaican food stall. Jamaican food. There is Facebook, Instagram link you can check. And I have other side drink bar. So this is Stockholm Food Festival, street food festival especially. We must use street food. Sandori. So this is a stage. You can see. About many 100 years old, I think. Picture is like
I want it.
this is Punk's Public. So people are celebrating street food. This side big church, what is it? I don't know exactly, but this is a more church. And left side is Cafe Opera, Cafe Opera. Exactly, but this is Swedish name, Cafe Opera. It's a very popular restaurant. And this is restaurant very popular. Cafe. So today we are moving around. Indians भी यहाँ पर So this is beautiful Stockholm city of Sweden. I am Najam Alvi. You are watching my Wheel of channel. Najam Alvi. Hashtag Najam Alvi. So please subscribe, press the bell icon and write comment how you like this video. So now we are going inside street food festival. So many people, too many crowd. now we are inside in food festival. So please check my next video. So we are enter. So now I'm close this video and watch the next video. I am Najam Alvi. You are watching my vlog channel. Please share Facebook and WhatsApp. Bye bye.